In this video, we are going to have all the important questions based on picaresque novel. Picaresque novel. So first of all, we have to be aware that what is picaro. The very first question is what picaro means. So picaro is a rogue, or you can also be given another option, knave. So picaro means rogue or knave, and there may be also another option, rascal. The word picaresque is derived from a Spanish word. Okay, this word picaro, it is a Spanish word, and this is why that the word picaresque is derived from a Spanish word. It is a Spanish word. The picaresque novel is the life story of a picaro, or of a rogue, or of a knave. Okay, the picaresque novel is the life story of whom? It is the complete or the whole life story of a picaro. Picaro means a rogue or a rascal. Who wrote Tom Jones? Or you can also be asked who wrote Joseph Andrews, because both novels were written by Henry Fielding. So who wrote Tom Jones? Henry Fielding. Or who wrote Joseph Andrews? It was also the same writer was Fielding, Henry Fielding. The hero of a picaresque novel has adventures. Okay, the hero of these kinds of novels always carry the life of adventures or life of experiences, because that picaro or the hero of this novel always travels from one place to another, and he has a lot of different kinds of experiences and adventures. So it depends on the given option in your exam. The hero of a picaresque novel has adventurous life or experiences in his life. Who is the writer of Great Expectation? You can be asked this question also, because Great Expectation is also supposed to be a picaresque novel, and who wrote this? It was Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was the writer of Great Expectation. And Thomas Nash. Thomas Nash, this question is also very important. Thomas Nash wrote Unfortunate Traveler, or you can be asked who wrote Unfortunate Traveler, because it is also a picaresque novel. So Thomas Nash wrote Unfortunate Traveler. Now the next question is the life of Jack Wilton. Okay, it is also a picaresque novel, the life of Jack Wilton, and it was written by whom? It was written by Thomas Nash, right? It was a picaresque novel and the hero was Jack Wilton. So it was written by Thomas Nash, who is considered the first picaresque novelist in English literature. In English literature, okay, the first picaresque novelist, it was Thomas Nash. And the last one is that these kinds of novels, the picaresque novels, present a picture of society. Okay, a picture of society in a realistic way. You can say that he satirizes or he mocks, and he takes the help of his hero, of picaro, of a rogue, because he travels from one place to another. So this is why that the novelist of these kinds of novel gets a chance to present a picture of society. The picaresque novels present a picture of society. So 10 questions will be sufficient to be prepared.